Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone not going to sleep when not used. Many iPhone users have observed an unusual issue with their iPhones. When they are not using it for a certain amount of time, it is not going to sleep mode. This is causing a problem for them since it is draining their battery because of huge consumption due to screen brightness being turned on all the time. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue. But first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for modify the auto lock setting on your iPhone. The auto lock feature on your iPhone is the setting when enabled automatically locks the iPhone after a certain amount of inactivity. If the auto lock setting in the setting to an option called never, it will never lock your iPhone at all. So we recommend that you have to set the auto lock setting to 30 seconds, 1 minute, etc. but not never. For this, open the settings app, tap on it. Scroll down and then tap on display and brightness. Scroll down to the bottom and here you will see the option of auto lock. Tap on it and then select 30 seconds or 1 minute. After changing this setting, this issue will get resolved and you are done. And the next step is check the attention aware settings. The attention aware feature lets the iPhone awake and it detects your face or eyes near it and consider it as an activity. So this might be the reason why your iPhone does not get locked when even after a long time of not using it. For this, go to the settings page, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Here you will see the option of Face ID at attention, tap on it. Next, disable the attention aware feature by turning off its switch and hit require your passcode. So enter your passcode and you are done. And the next step is disable assistive touch. Some iPhone users have claimed that they were able to fix this issue by turning off the assistive touch option on their iPhone. So let's try this method once and see if this works for you. For this, open the settings page, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on accessibility and then tap on touch. And here you will see the option of assistive touch, tap on it. Disable the assistive touch option by tapping on its toggle button and you are done. And the next step is turn off the rise to wake option. The rise to wake settings enables the iPhone to wake up if you rise or move your iPhone physically and this will be considered an activity. So the iPhone will not be locked unless you press the power button. Let's try turning off the rise to wake setting on your iPhone and see if this helps. For this, go to settings by tap on it. Scroll down and then tap on display and brightness. Scroll down and here you will see the option of rise to wake. Turn it off and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. If any device software is not updated to its latest version, it may not work as expected and might create tons of problems. So it is better to try updating the iPhone and see if this helped. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there are any updates, please tap on download and install to start downloading and installing the update on your iPhone. Once it gets updated, check if the issue still remains or not and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. When some of the settings in the iPhones are changed, this tends to create problems and detecting which setting is causing this issue is not easy. So resetting all settings is the best way to fix this issue. For this, go to settings, tap on it. Scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset all settings, tap on it. It requires your passcode, so enter your passcode. Once resetting all settings on your iPhone is completed, see if the fix worked or not. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone not going to sleep and not used. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.